happy Friday. Today is an awesome day. Whew! Even if things ain't going right, y'all, things is not right all the time, but yeah. So welcome to another episode of Tea Time. Get your coffee, which I have. Get your tea, water, whatever it is that you drink in the morning, orange juice, and let's get busy. So guys, I'm currently driving. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm a little off schedule today. But all I'm going to say is continue to hold on to your faith in everything. Continue to hold on to your faith. Faith is a big substance in our life, and we need to always hold on to it, because there is no other sorry for shaking, but the only thing that we have is our faith, is what I'm trying to say. Life is good, life is what you make it. You can overcome like fears, dismays, disbeliefs, and things like that. But you have to hold on to your faith in order for that stuff to happen and to manifest. And you have to also believe in yourself. I did want to say that. And then also prayer. Prayer is a big thing in our lives that we need to have and to hold on to as well. So, y'all, I'm so sorry for this tea time, but hopefully you understand what I'm saying and you get where I'm coming from. So that's the main important thing. And if nobody's never told you today that they love you, I love you with the peace of the Lord. And yeah, I guess I see you guys a little later. Like I said, I'm driving and I don't like to be driving. Oh yeah, and I apologize too. A lot of you guys said my video was a little shaky, and I don't know why. So hopefully this video you see today won't be shaky. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Hey guys, it's me. Finally able to relax. I got something I want to show y'all. As soon as this food gets to cooking, I'm going to show y'all. I'm currently making some zucchini, yellow squash with onions for Mark, and some leftover pizza and this salad. Y'all, it's good to be patient, right? Yeah, it is. Hope you all are having a great Friday. It's a really nice day. Even though it's gloomy and rainy, it's still a beautiful day. So, yeah. Let me know in the comments, how's your day going? Y'all might get this video later, I'm not sure. Let me turn this TV down a little bit. Hold on. Let me turn it down, because I don't want y'all, I don't want to get copyrighted or anything. But yeah, today is a beautiful day. I'm actually waiting for, a lady just came. It's almost 4:30, so a lady just came here and bought that big old orb thing that I had in the back room. She bought that, and she bought the coasters. Then I have another lady who's going to buy that old Magnolia home mirror, that Jack's. What else is she buying? That pillar tea light candle thing, that Nate Burkus vase, and the clear vase that you can see through with the gold bottom, and a host of some other things. I think it's like 7 things. I'm so happy to get that stuff out of the garage, y'all. I'm so excited about getting that out the garage. So, yeah. But I got something I'm gonna show y'all today, and it's good to just weigh out some things. Weigh out your options. Outfit of the day. Yay! Uh-oh. Y'all weren't supposed to see that. But hold the line, please, and we'll come back. So this is zucchini with onions, and I'm gonna top it with some paprika. And yeah. Then we'll take him his grub, and then we'll come back so I can show y'all what I had today. I think you guys are gonna be proud of me. And I'm reaping some coins from selling that stuff, and then I'm gonna reap some more coins, because I can take something back. So stay tuned for that. Guys, this is what the food looks like. This is that cabbage salad mix, and here's leftover piece. I did add garlic, and here's some zucchini, not zucchini, yellow squash. So let's take this in layer. Here you go. Here. You want it? Hello? You want this? You got it? All right, y'all, we're gonna start this haul. I wasn't gonna tell y'all, but yes, she has a haul that she's gonna show y'all really quick, and y'all gonna be proud of me because she waited for everything. But I'm gonna show y'all something. I'll show you at the end after I show you what I was replacing something with. So hold the line, y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited. That lady came back and bought everything that I had. She bought the task lamp, all that stuff. She bought like $75, $85 worth of stuff. I am so happy that all that stuff is out of there. All them little trinkets and things like that. That is out of my garage. So I still have left like the headboard. I'm trying to think what else. The headboard and the, those kitchen pictures and some other things. So we'll be back with the haul and stuff. All right, y'all. Are y'all ready to see this haul? So y'all already see the chair here, which I'm excited about. Guys, $10 for another matching chair. Another matching chair that goes with the other one that I found for another $10. So yeah, guys, you have to be patient. You'll find it. Most of this stuff does say like salvage on here, which I guess that means it's like, even though it might have like a little small defect, it's still usable. So they don't throw it away. That's the first thing, okay? Second thing was this beautiful canvas, which I'm trying to see what was the original price. I don't see it, but I can Google it and see what it was, and I'll probably let you guys know later. But this is what it looks like. The back of it is busted, which is still okay because I'm still going to use it. And this is actually going to go in the kitchen area over there by the wall that doesn't have anything at all, where washing machine is. I'm going to be placing that up there, and it does match. It has the whites, the grays. It's like a goldish brown, and it, like a washed gray here. It's really pretty, and it has like light colored wood going across. The third thing is this nice metal. This is a metal hamper. So I'm trying to debate, do I want to put this in the bathroom and move that other basket so we can have a dirty clothes basket in the bathroom instead of in the back room. So I think I am going to do so. This is 100% cotton, $10 for this also. But the only thing that was the problem was there's a piece of metal that's not like attached to it, but it still works. So if you were wondering, I'm trying to find it. So it's not that very noticeable. It's like right here. It's not on there, but it's not gonna, it doesn't bother what it's used for, the purpose of it. So it is a waste container, and it is by Room Essentials. And I love the fact that it's black and it has 100% cotton line insert. So I think I am gonna put this in the bathroom, and then I'm gonna give daughter the big old wooden basket that's made out of that. I think if she still needs it, I would give it to her. And then I would just keep this because it's flat on one side, and then this side is more round. And yeah, so this is the third thing, guys. I only got 4 things. Last but not least, I don't know if you guys remember me talking about the pictures that I did put up over the bed that had the 3 pieces, and then I put them all together. I am going to get rid of that because it is flimsy by me stapling them together. So I just wanted one piece of artwork above the bed. That's why I set it there. And I took the one here and took it off because those two pieces, those are 2 pieces opposed to 6 pieces. But that is too small to go over the bed. So guys, look what I found. Do you guys see this beauty? Do you see this beauty? Nothing wrong with it. Oh, it's rather big. This is the back of it. And the colors are black. Now how clever is that? The colors are black, white, gray, and gold. That is the color of the, that's most of the things in the bedroom. And the frame of it is gold. I don't have to put anything on it. It is a real canvas, but it has like a plastic covering on top, which I really don't like. But I'm just gonna leave it like that because I said for $10, this was originally, I think it was like 70 bucks. I'm not sure. Let me see. I don't have my glasses on, but I think it was like 65. I can show you guys once I'm done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed everything. But that is all I got today. And everything is very useful. I needed it. And like I said, I will be taping this back on here just to have, if I don't tape it, I'll just take this part here, just the stuff to the that goes along saying what it is. I will put this on the back of here and just get rid of the paper. That's probably what I will do. But yeah, guys, that's everything. But this here, yes, she's excited. And guys, yes, I will be tomorrow. I will be. So basically, I bought 2 lawn chairs for $20 from the bins. I paid $75 with tax. It's going to be like $75. I still have the receipt for those chairs. We still kept the plastic on one of the chairs. Those chairs are going back tomorrow to Walmart, and I'm going to get my $75 back. So I'm super, super grateful. So guys, I'm going to end this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I know it was like all over the place, but it had a lot of stuff going on today. Remember to love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Now hold the line, and I will show you guys how much the thing costs, and then I'm going to throw in a video of, you know, I'm just going to show you around everything. So let's see how much she was. Let's see, y'all. Let's see her original. Focus, focus, focus. So this is the original price right here. And y'all know she got it for $10. So guys, I'm going to end the video, and then I'll throw in a video clip of everything. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.